Hello, grade 12. Today we're going to do some questions on tangible assets, analysis and interpretation. I've already typed in the answers, but we're just going to go through it quickly. I could have left this for you to read, but I'm afraid that you won't, so I thought it would be best if we go through it together. So this will be in the Dropbox for you. You can just listen and understand. Thereafter, you can put it into your workbook, or you can even just print it and paste it into your workbook for your future reference. Okay, so this is task 7.10 on page 338 in the textbook. Belinda Barney operates a busy travel agency known as Belbar Travel CC. The agency owns 5 identical computers. The entries for the computers are recorded in the equipment account. This is the only equipment owned by Belbar Travel CC. At the end of every 2 years, she replaces all the computers with new ones. She donates 2 to charity. She sells the remaining 3 to her staff and to her friends. Depreciation is calculated at 30% per annum on cost. And then you've been given an asset disposal account on 28th February, the end of the financial period. So 7.10.1, what are your views on Belinda's policy to upgrade computers every 2 years? Provide reasons for your answer. Okay, so with something like computers, it is a good idea to upgrade them every 2 years because of the technology changing all the time. Also, it is best for her to have the newer computers because all her work is done on the computers and they need to be reliable. All her bookings, reservations, etc. Need to be executed quickly and efficiently. Okay, so updated computer equipment will save time and ensure that transactions are processed efficiently and accurately. Okay, then a comment on Belinda's decision to donate computers to charity. Does her business benefit in any way from this? So the business will not gain financially from donations, but donations provide an excellent opportunity for free publicity or advertising. Okay, so this augurs well for future business because people become aware of her acts of charity and her service to the community. This increases the goodwill. Okay, and in line with the King Code of Corporate Governance, businesses are encouraged to give back to their communities. Okay, and this is the social responsibility aspect of the King Code of Corporate Governance. Okay, 7.10. The next one, 3. Does the business benefit in any way from selling computers to staff and friends? Provide reasons for your answer. So remember, even if the computers are sold at a loss, cash is still received for the sale of the computer, so it improves the liquidity. Remember when you're reading the cash flow statement, regardless of whether the business makes a profit or a loss or no profit or loss, the money received on the sale of the equipment is still recorded as a cash inflow. So she is getting some cash back to the computers. And if you look at the asset disposal account, we've got the bank amount that she received is 9,000 Rand on the sale of her computer. So there is some money which you can use towards the purchase of the new equipment. Okay, and then also selling to staff is a good idea because it promotes staff loyalty. It's something that they can look forward to and be motivated to work towards. Okay, and then although the computers are 2 years old, they can still be used for many more years. Okay, so even selling to her friends will also promote the business for her. Okay, so if she were to advertise the computers in the local paper instead of selling to staff and friends, would she make a profit? Provide reasons for your answer. You could say yes if you want to, because sometimes when you make a private sale, then you do generally, you are able to receive more for it. However, computers are very difficult to sell because many people want the latest technology. So the resale value of the computers is generally low. She may get a better price, but she'll have to see. And she can also perhaps check with the supplier if she can do trade-ins. Okay, the next question. Explain each of the entries in the asset disposal account and provide reasons for each entry. Okay, so number 1, equipment. Number 1 on the debit side, the details are equipment. That's the cost price of the computer which is being disposed of. The equipment account is credited with this amount, making the balance of this account 0. The reason it becomes 0 is because she sells all the computers. Number 2 is accumulated depreciation that is written back or reversed. The accumulated depreciation account is debited with this amount, also resulting in becoming 0. Number 3 is the book value of the 2 computers being donated. The donation account is debited and is shown as an expense of the business. Number 4, the cash proceeds from the sale of the computers. The bank account is debited with that amount. And number 5, the loss incurred is the result of the sale of the 3 computers. It's shown as an expense to the business. Okay, so the loss on the sale is 3,000 Rand. Okay, then we have to calculate the following in 7.10.6, the cost price of one computer. The cost price of all 5 computers is 50,000, so we just have to divide 50,000 by 5. The depreciation amount per year for each computer. Okay, so the depreciation of, okay, so it's 10,000, which is the cost price of one computer, and multiplied by 30% because she depreciated it's at 10%, 30% per annum. Okay, and then the book value of the computers donated, okay, which is 8,000 Rand. Now the way you arrive at the book value for the computers, okay, is this like that? There's 2 computers, so it's 2 times 10,000 Rand. Okay, and then those computers were owned for 2 years, so 2 computers times 3,000 Rand depreciation times 2 years. Okay, so that would be 20,000 minus 12,000, which is equal to 8,000. Or else you could have worked it out for each computer. So it would have been 10,000 minus 3,000 minus 3,000 for the 2 years, which gives us 6,000. 4,000, and then 4,000 times 2 is 8,000. Okay, and then the book value of the computer sold. Okay, 3 computers were sold, 3 times 10,000. Then we subtract the depreciation, which is 3 computers times 3,000 depreciation per year for 2 years, which gives us an amount of 12,000. Okay, and then that's all for this question. Soon I'll also post a video for DAS 7.11. Bye.